Okay guys, it's time for another Carboot Confessions. So here's another tool haul from last year that I need to sort out and get put away. Hard to resist a sanding disc for a future project, and came with that was also some sanding disc paper. Simply the best. And you guys know me by now, I always buy random hole cutters. They'll always come in handy for something. And that one's a big one. 6 inches or 150 millimeters. Now, we've all modified tools before now. And here's a soldering iron that's been modified for, well, for something. Anyway, it's a Weller soldering iron. Good make. And, you know, I'll either turn it back into a soldering iron or modify it into something. Another 1/2 inch ratchet made in Japan. That won't turn very easily. Oh, it won't turn at all that way. And a 1/2 inch drive, yeah, they're always handy. No make on that. Draper 22mm socket, yeah, useful for something. Another engineer's vice, well, I think that's what you call them. This one looks to be homemade. It's not quite symmetric. It's not quite symmetrical. So I'm guessing it's a DIY one. Nice little thing, really. Quite useful for something. Gador C spanner. Says it's a number 40. And nice adjustable spanner. Works lovely. Feels nice in hand. Somebody's marked their tools. J.P Danielson Company Inc. Jamestown, New York, USA. 8 inch. Better grip. There you go. And I can't read that, but anyway, there's a spanner built into the end there. Anyway, nice little thing. Don't know how old it is, but yeah, still working. Very smooth, actually. Then one of my favourites. Nice oil can. Doesn't seem to have any markings on it. Kind of a strange shape, but yeah, it just needs a clean up. I think it's well, probably needs a bit of adjustment there. Anyway, nice looking little thing. Then for you lovers of tiny tools, here we go. Tiny little screwdriver. There you go, 3 1/4 inches. Three and a quarter inches long. 8.5 centimeters thereabouts. Little flat-headed screwdriver. I showed this a little bit before. Very cute little vice. I can't see any maker's name on it, but don't know if it's a homemade one. Guy I talked to did say he thought it might be a kit, but yeah, don't know. Needs some oiling. Right, That's a Yankee screwdriver. It says North Brothers Manufacturing Company, US something USA. The spring's gone in it, but yeah, it works well. Let's be honest, I'm never ever going to use it, but yeah, what a nice little thing. There you go, guys. I don't know if you can see that. So it's 9 inches long, and yeah, it's worn. Maybe we'll be able to make it a little bit better. Don't know yet. Last but not least, some of you guys will like this. Little tiny folding rule. It's missing the brass, I don't know, depth gauge. There's normally, I think, a little brass rule there. It marks in fractions, I think. But yeah, look at that. Can I see any maker's name? Yeah, I can't see a maker's name on there. I guess there might be. Right, that's it, guys. That's the end of my latest Carboot Confessions, and hang around, there'll be another one along shortly.